What should I do if I am missing one of my W-2s for tax filing?
Hello, viewers. In today's video, we'll tackle a common tax season question. What should you do if you're missing one of your W-2s for tax filing? Missing a W-2 can be a stressful situation, but don't worry, we've got you covered with a step-by-step guide.
What is a W-2 form and why is it important?
The W-2 is a wage and tax statement that your employer must send to you and the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, every year. This form reports your annual wages and the amount of taxes withheld from your paycheck. Having your W-2 is critical to accurately complete your tax return.
What to do when your W-2 is missing?
If you find yourself in this situation, take the following steps. 1. Contact your employer. Your employer is required to provide a W-2. If you haven't received it, there could be a simple reason, like an incorrect address on file. Request a new copy from them. 2. Contact the IRS. If you're unable to get a copy from your employer, or if you do not receive it by the end of February, you can call the IRS for assistance. 3. File Form 4852. As a last resort, if you do not receive your W-2 in time to file your tax return, you may use IRS Form 4852, substitute for Form W-2. Remember, while these steps may help, it's important to avoid filing an incorrect tax return.
How to prevent losing your W-2 in the future?
To prevent this issue in the future, consider the following tips. 1. Update your address promptly. If you move, ensure that your current employer has your updated address. 2. Consider electronic W-2s. Many employers now offer electronic W2s. These can be easier to keep track of and are environmentally friendly. 3. Store tax documents safely. Develop a system for storing and organizing your important tax documents as soon as you receive them. There you have it. A comprehensive guide to navigating the tax season even when you're missing a W-2. Remember, always strive for accurate and timely tax filings. It's my hope that this video has been helpful. Until next time, happy tax filing!